Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome you all in Pakistan International School Taif Virtual Learning System. Today is our 40 video lecture for grade second year students, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Rosie Imran, your mathematics teacher. Chapter number 3, 3.6, I already discussed with you in previous lecture. Up to from question number 1 to 10, I already discussed. Today we will do from question number 11 to 30. Some parts I'll discuss with you, the solution of some parts, and some parts you will try it by yourself. Question number 11 is lower limit pi over 6 and upper limit is pi over 3 cos t. You know that the cos integral is sine, so sine t, and upper limit you put in sine pi over 3 minus sine pi over 6, and you solve it with your calculator, you will get the answer. Same, so you try it by yourself. Number 12 is same. If you check, x derivative is 1 and 1 over x derivative is minus 1 over x square. If any value derivative is present in its product, so how can we take its integral? We apply the rule. In this first value we write as it is, and power 1 will be added, and the same power divide upper limit and lower limit. So you try it by yourself, just like it is question number 9. So you try it by yourself. Come to question number 13. Here you have 1 over 1 is the lower limit, upper limit 2 natural log of x dx. So natural log of x, you know that we can't solve it directly, so we solve it by integration by part. We multiply with 1. So how can we solve it by integration by part? That first term natural log of x we write as it is, second term 1 integral is x, so the lower upper limit minus lower limit minus whole integral of x1 is x, and derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. We already study integration by part in 3.4. So x cancel, and here x natural log of x 2 1, and minus here integral of 1 is x. So we put this 2 in place of x, minus 1 into natural log of 1. In place of x you put the lower limit, minus here x, and you put 2 minus 1. So this 2 natural log of 2 natural log of 1 is 0. So we get 2 natural log of 2 minus 0 and minus 1. So 2 natural log of 2 minus 1 is the required answer of number 13. Number 14, you know that exponential function integral is as it is, and its power derivative will come in the denominator. So here um, this is 0 to, so integral of e power x over 2 minus integral of e power minus x over 2 dx. So integral of e power x over 2 is same as it is e x over 2, and derivative of the power x over 2 is 1 over 2. It will come in the denominator. Here minus sign, and integral of e power minus x over 2 as it is, and derivative of power minus x over 2 is minus 1 over 2. It will come in the denominator. So this value in the denominator, it will come in the coefficient. So 2 e power x over 2, 2 0, and plus 2 e power minus x over 2 upper limit and lower limit. Now you put upper limit in place of x, so e power 2 over 2 minus e power 0 over 2, and then this plus sign 2 e power minus 2 over 2 and e power minus 0 over 2. So 2 over 2 e power 1. So e power 0, you know that is equal to anything power 0 is equal to 1, and plus e power minus 1 is 1 over e, and e power 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 is minus 2, and e plus 1 over e. Now we take the LCM e, so e square plus 1 minus 2e we get, which is equal to e minus 1 whole square. So required answer is 2 into e minus 1 whole square divided by e. Here you have trigonometric function 0 pi over 4 cos theta plus sine theta, so cos 2 theta plus 1. Cos 2 theta plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square theta, because cos square theta is equal to cos 2 theta plus 1 divided by 2, so the 2 will shift in the left hand side, so 2 cos square theta is equal to this. Now 2 cos square theta, like cos square theta is equal to this. So 2 cos square theta we divide with the first value and then with the second value. When we divide with the first value, one time cos theta cancel, one time left. And when we divide with the second value, so sine theta divided by 2 cos theta. So 1 over 2 secant theta, and here 1 over 2 sine over cos is tangent theta, 1 over cos is secant theta. Secant theta into tangent theta. So you know that secant theta integral is natural log of secant theta plus tangent theta, and secant theta into tangent theta is equal to secant theta. So secant theta, now we put this upper limit in the first natural log of secant pi over 4 plus tangent pi over 4, and minus natural log of secant 0 plus tangent 0. Similarly here, secant pi over 4 minus secant 0. So you know that secant pi over 4 is under root 2 and tangent pi over 4 is 1, minus natural log of secant 0 is 1 and tangent 0 is 0, and similarly 1 over 2 secant pi over 4 is under root 2 and secant 0 is minus 1. So 1 over 2 natural log under root 2 plus 1 minus 0, because natural log of 1 is 0, and plus 1 over 2 under root 2 minus 1. 1 over 2 take common, so we get natural log of under root 2 plus 1 plus under root 2 minus 1. This is the required answer. Here you have cos cube theta. So cube we converted in cos square into cos. Cos square, you know that 1 minus sine square theta. So cos theta multiply with both cos theta and sine square theta cos theta. So cos theta integral is sine theta upper limit, lower limit, and you know that sine derivative is cos. So if further derivative present in the product, so 1 will be added in the power. So sine cube theta divided by 3 upper limit and lower limit. Now we put pi over 4 in sine minus sine 0, and then here in this sine cube pi over 6 minus sine cube 0. So 1 over 2 minus 0 and minus 1 over 3. Sine pi over 6 is 1 over 2 square minus sine 0 is 0. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 multiply with this, so we get 1 over 2 minus 1 over 24, then we take LCM, so we get 11 over 24. Number 17, cos square theta cotangent square theta. So cotangent square theta, we write it cosecant square theta minus 1. So cos square multiply with both cos square theta, cosecant square theta minus cos square theta. So cos square theta cosecant is 1 over sine square theta, which is equal to cotangent square theta. So cotangent square is cosecant square theta minus 1, and cos square theta is 1 plus cos theta divided by 2. So cosecant square integral 1 integral, and here 1 over 2 integral and cos theta over 2 integral. So we get from cosecant square theta is equal to minus cotangent theta, and 1 integral is theta, and here 1 integral is 1 over 2 and minus 1 we add, that is 3 over 2, we combine both. And here cos 2 theta is sine 2 theta, and further derivative of 2 theta is 2, which come in the denominator. So now we put the upper limit and lower limit, and we get the required answer, this. Number 18 is cos of power 4 t dt. So we write it cos square t whole square. So cos square is 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2. So square formula, a plus b whole square formula we apply. First term plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square divided by 4, 2 square. 1 over 4 we take common, then integral of 1 and integral 2 cos 2t. In place of cos square 2t, we write it 1 plus cos 4t divided by 2. Take LCM, so we get this. And now we integrate. Integral of 3 is 3t. Integral of 4 cos 2t is 4 sine 2t divided by 2. And cos 4t is sine 4t divided by 4. Now we put the upper limit minus lower limit. So we get this answer. In number 19, cos square is into sine theta d theta. You know, cos square is minus sine theta. So we multiply with minus 1. So further derivative present in the product. So cos cube theta divided by 3 minus cos cube theta divided by 3 we get. Here we solve it by supposition, and if you can want to do it with the product, look, cos derivative is sine but minus sine, so minus 1 you multiply and divide, so minus outside and minus sine come here. So then in power you add 1 and the same cos cube divided by 3 you get, and then you put the upper limit and lower limit, so you will get the same answer, this. Number 20th is 1 plus cos square theta tangent square theta d theta. Here tangent square theta multiply with 1 and then with cos square, but tangent square we split it in sine square and cos square. So when multiply with 1 sine square theta cos square theta, and when multiply with cos square cancel, sine square theta come. Now tangent square theta we write it secant square theta minus 1, and sine square theta we write it 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. We study all these formulas in first year, that sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2, and cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Here we take LCM, this 2 will come with secant square and with minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 we get minus 1. Now you integrate. 2 secant square theta integral is tangent theta, and 1 integral is theta, and cos 2 theta integral is sine 2 theta divided by 2. Now you put the upper limit pi over 4 in place of theta like this, and then you put 0 in the lower limit in place of theta, so you get 2. 10 pi over 4 is 1, pi over 4 as it is, sine 2 to cancel, so pi over 2 sine pi over 2 is 0, so this term is converted in 0. Pi over 2 is 1, so 1 over 2, and minus 2 tangent 0 0 0, and sine 0 is 0, so you get 2 and minus 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2, and minus pi over 4. You take LCM, you get 4, 6 minus pi, and 2 multiply with 4, so you get this answer. Number 21 is 0 to pi over 4 secant theta sine theta plus cos theta. Here we take cos common from the denominator. When we take cos common, here there is no cos, so sine over cos and plus 1. Now cos 1 over cos is secant, so it will shift it in the numerator, secant square theta, and this is tangent theta plus 1. Now you know that tangent theta plus 1, if it is equal to t and we take its differential, so it will be equal to secant square theta d theta. So we put value, and the lower limit is x equal to 0. So when we put x equal to 0, then t will be equal to 1. Theta equal to 0. When we put theta equal to 0, so tangent 0 is 0 and t is equal to 1. When theta is equal to pi over 4, when we put pi over 4, it will be 1, so t is equal to 2, so 1 over 2. Natural log of t to 1, natural log of 2 minus natural log of 1, natural log of 2, and natural log of 2 is the required answer. Now here you have, when you have a and c, a is less than equal to x, x is less than equal to b, and b is less than equal to x, it means that the middle term is involved, then a to b gx plus b to c hx. So here minus 1 over 5 x minus 3 in absolute. Absolute means that is plus minus x minus 3. So means that x minus 3 positive and negative. For positive, x is greater than equal to 3, and for x minus 3, for negative, x is less than equal to 3. So means that the minus 1 to 5, the middle value is 3. So minus 1 to 3 minus x minus 3 dx plus 3 to 5 x minus 3 dx. So when you take integral of this, it will be 1 plus 1 2 divided by 2 3 minus 1. When you take the integral of this, x plus 3 square divided by 2 5 over 3. So upper limit 3 you put in place of x, minus lower limit minus 1 you put in place of x in this term, and here upper limit 5 you put in place of x in this term, and then minus 3 you put lower limit in this term in place of x, so you will get 10. Number 23 is x 1 over 3 plus 2 and x power 2 over 3. So here you have whole square. When you shift it in the numerator, it will be minus 2 over 3 dx. Now if you suppose that t is equal to x 1 over 3 plus 2, when you take differential, so x 1 over 3 x minus 2 over 3 dx, and this 3 divide here, shifted at this side, 3 dt x minus 2 over 3 dx. In place of this you can write it 3 dt. For limit, if you put x equal to 1 over 8, here 1 over 8, so 1 over 8 power 1 over 3, so that will be uh, plus 2, so that will be 5 over 2. When you put 1, it will be tb3. So means that for this, when you put value, in place of 1 over 8 you put 5 over 8, in place of 1 you put 3. Now t square integral is t cube divided by 3. Now you, in place of 3 you put, in place of t you put 3 minus 5 over 2 power 3, and you solve it. 3 cube 27 and 5 cube 125 over 8. So we get 125 over 24. We take the LCM, 91 over 24, 3 8s are 24, so 91 over 8. Here in 24, if you check, this is improper fraction. First we convert it in proper fraction. X square minus 2 divided by x plus 1. So first multiply with x, so we get x square plus x. So minus x minus 2 we get, multiply with minus 1, minus x minus 1, so minus 1. So minus x minus 1 whole minus 1 over x plus 1. So x integral is x square over 2, 1 integral is x, and for 1 over x plus 1 is natural log of x plus 1. Now you put the upper limit in the first term minus lower limit, upper limit in the first term minus lower limit second term, upper limit in the third term minus lower limit, and then you get 9 over 2 minus 1 over 2, here minus 2 minus natural log of 4 minus natural log of 2, so natural log of 4 over 2, and here we get 8 over 2 which is equal to 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, natural log of 2. We will get this answer. Very easy and interesting. Number 25 is 3x square minus 2x plus 1. So x minus 1 multiply with x square plus 1, we get this. So if you check, the derivative of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 is present in the numerator. How? X cube derivative 3x square present, x square derivative minus 2x present, x derivative 1 present. If the derivative of the denominator present in the numerator, so its integral will be natural log denominator. So we take natural log denominator 3 2. So upper limit you put first minus natural log in place of x, lower limit you put. So 3 cube 27, 3 square 9, 3 minus 1, and here 2 cube 2 is the lower limit you put in place of x, 2 cube 8, 2 square 4, and 2 minus 1. Now 27 minus 9, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 minus 1, 20, and here 8 minus 4, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So natural log of 20 minus natural log of 5, you know that natural log, if it is given, if you convert it in a single natural log, so 20 over 5, so that will be natural log of 4. Number 26, sine x minus 1 divided by cos square x. So cos square x divide with the first term and then divide with the second term. So when we divide with the first term, we can write it sine over cos x into cos x. So that will be secant x tangent x and minus secant square x. So you know that secant x tangent x integral is secant x and secant square x integral is tangent x. So pi over 4 you put in secant in place of x, and then minus 0 you put in secant x and tangent x. So secant pi by 4 is under root 2 and tangent pi by 4 is 1. Secant minus secant 0 is 1 and tangent 0 is 0. So you get under root 2 minus 2. Number 27, 0 pi over 4, 1 over 1. So we when such type of function in integration, so first you rationalize it, multiply and divide with 1 minus sine x, we get 1 minus sine x cos square x. So just like number 24, you solve it. Look at the solution of number 24 and solve it like that. Here you have 3x under root 4x minus 3x. So we suppose that 4 minus 3x is t, and here 3x shifted at other side, t at this side, so 3x is equal to 4 minus t. When you take the integral, differential, so it will be 3 dx minus dt. So minus sign multiply in the both sides, so dt is equal to minus 3 dx, and minus 1 over 3 dt is dx. Now, if you put x equal to 0 in this, so t is equal to 4. When you put x is equal to 1, so t is equal to 1. When original value in place, you put the supposition, so you get this, and now you integrate it. Number 29 is cos x divided by sin x into 2 plus sin x dx. Here again you do supposition, t is sin x, take the differential dt cos x dx, and when x pi over 6 you put, so sine pi over 6 is 1 over 2, so t value is 1 over 2. When you put sine pi by 2, so sine pi by 2 t is 1, so t is 1, so 1 over 2 1 is the limit, and cos x dx is equal to dt, and sine x is equal to t, and 2 as it is, sin x equal to t. This you get. Now you solve it by partial fraction. A over t, you without integral, you take the value a over t plus b over 2 plus t. When you put t equal to 0, because t having no values, t equal to 0, so we get the value of a 1 over 2, just like in previous exercise we done. When you put t equal to minus 2 in this equation, you get the value of b. You put it again in this, so you get this value, and now this value is natural log of t, and here natural log of t plus 2 plus t. Now you put the upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So you will get the required answer, which is equal to this. Number 30th is Sin x 1 plus cos x 2 plus cos x. So we suppose that t equal to cos x, and when we take differential dt equal to minus sin x dx, so minus dt is sin x dx. So when you put x equal to 0 in this, so cos 0 is 1, so t is equal to 1. When you put cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, so t is equal to 0, so limit is 1 0. But you know that the upper limit should be greater than the lower limit, so we change its value. This is minus, so it will be converted in positive. 0 1 dt 1 plus 2 and t plus 2. So again, we solve it by integration by part. So a over 1 plus t plus b over 2, t, 2 plus t. So throughout multiply both sides with this denominator, we get 1a into t plus 2 because this one will cancel, and b into 1 plus t, this one cancel. Now you put 1 plus 2 equal to 0, so t equal to minus 1 in this equation 1. So 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 1, so this complete converted in 0, so we get a equal to 1. Now you put t plus 2 equal to 0, so t equal to minus 2 in this equation number 1. So 2 minus 2, this complete will be converted in 0, and 2 1 plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so b equal to minus 1. Now you put value of a b in this. 1 over 1 plus t minus 1 over 2 plus t, we take the integral on both sides. So 1 over 0 1 plus t minus 1 0 1 over 2 plus t. So natural log of this, the denominator, minus natural log of the denominator. Then now you put the upper limit, natural log 1 plus 1 minus natural log 1 plus 0, and then minus natural log 2 plus 1 minus natural log 2 plus 0. So this will be equal to natural log of 2, and this will natural log of 1 is 0, and this is natural log of 3, and here minus plus natural log of, because minus minus plus natural log of 2. Natural log of 2 and natural log of 2 both are come in product to multiply 2, and the negative when come in division, so that is 4 over 2. So this is the last part of question number, last question of exercise 3.6. I hope you will understand it. Very important exercise. Mostly question come in paper from this exercise, so this is very important and very easy. I hope you will understand it. If any difficulty, any questions, you can ask in Zoom meeting class. I hope you will understand it. If any confusion, you can ask and practice it again and again. Exercise 3.7, inshallah we will start in our next video lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.